Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means the world to me, and I hope more people can learn from the video.
Hello guys, welcome to another new series, and in this series I'm going to talk about a very new framework called Fresh. So why should we use Fresh? There are actually a few benefits of using Fresh in mentioned in their website, but I will just talk about the most important ones, which are it is an island. It uses island-based client hydration for maximum interactivity, and basically it means it actually it actually sends HTML static HTML to the browser so that it is way faster. But if you really need to use JavaScript for interaction, it's actually stored in the island, and I will talk about it. I'll show you what is this island architecture in a moment, and there is no build stack, which means there are no build photos, which makes the whole website very fast, and there is TypeScript support out of the box. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started and try out this Fresh to see if it is worth doing it. So actually, I personally have tried this before, and I've made a project, and so I think at the end we can all finish. We can all make a project using Fresh. It it is, but first, of course, we need to go through the very simple tutorials in. I mean, a few very simple tutorials in the documentation, one by one. So actually, we grasp the gist of Fresh. So if you haven't heard of Dino or Fresh, it is very easy to install it. First, you need to go to Windows PowerShell, and okay, we need to wait, where was it? Yeah, here, go to this, click on this hyperlink, and just highlight this. No, not this. My one is Windows, so you can just copy this and paste this right here and enter. But I've downloaded it, so no. Okay, I've downloaded it. Okay, so after you have installed, just go back to the previous one, run this. But first, okay, so I will just show you how should I do this. How should you do this? Okay, so go to your the directory cmd and just wait, paste this. For the last part here, you just spell your name or maybe like my fresh app. Yeah, fashion should be okay. Yeah, let's call it fashion, whatever. It's not very important. Let's do this for a moment. TWIND is just Twin. So just press yes. Project is generated. So how do we actually start it? If you have VS Code, if you have a personalized what you call that ID, just go to it. Just file. Yeah, this was the project that I was talking about. Very simple, simple enough to grasp the gist of it. So go to the previous one that we have just created. Fresh app, select folder. Yes, trust waters. Okay. Terminal, new terminal, or just Control Shift backslash. Type. Yeah, actually it is in here. It is somewhere here. Deno task start. Oh, no, not here. Sorry. You can do that. You can do it in here as well, but I don't think it is very convenient for me, so I'll just do it here. Dino. And just in case if you have like very stupid errors, show you one. Sometimes you have like red lines around here, but it is actually working, but I don't know why it's keep telling you that it is wrong. Just go to the extension. Hold on. Let's go to the extension. Where's the extension? Extension. Hold up. And search for Dino if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Dino. This one right here. Press this. Install, and after that just press enable right here. Install, enable. Just that simple, and you won't get this. You won't get those errors. Yeah. Why do I still have the errors? It's so weird. And where is that? Come on, man. Okay, I think we'll just talk about it later. Anyways, we just continue. Just copy this thing. Paste it somewhere here. And you see it's working. Hmm, that's so weird. Wait. So as you can see, it works. Okay, and if you go here, you can see island routes. Routes are basically just routes. Like for example, if for example, counter right here, joke index, whatever. Go to jokes. Actually, you can just type that. Essentially, actually, I haven't used it for very long, but I can explore with you if you want. Actually, exploring with you. Okay. Yeah, it's something like this. So it really looks like React or Next.js. So in the next video, maybe we'll take a look at the rest of the web. We can take a look at the documentation, and we can take a look at how we should implement all of this and how it actually works. Just in case you didn't know, at last we will create a very simple project. And I think that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.